Oh look, Pookie's come to see us unbox a new present, you lost son. Oh no. Here we go. Are you so... Oh, you're so happy to see you. Pure scooter, aren't you? Yeah, man. I was trying to do a video of unboxing my new Pure. What's it called again, then? Air Pro or Pro Air? Air Pro with PPF. Atlas, man, watch out. Was doing an unboxing video, son. I've never done one before, and you spoiled it. Oh, dear. I'm rolling now, you know. Atlas, behave. Hey. Behave. I know we've been out. Oh, is that your big dog? I was been down to, what was the name of the shop again, Liz?
Pure Electric.
Pure Electric, oh, it's on the box. And just wasted some money on a scooter, didn't we?
Yeah.
I was going to do a video of unboxing it because no one else has, I don't think. And I'm going to talk about the finer points because no one really talked about how the head bearings come apart and stuff. And I was speaking to the lad in the shop and he's really canny, isn't he?
Yeah.
What was his name again? Dave.
Don't know.
I think it was Dave because he said he was the same name as me, but his dad decided to
John.
change. John. But his mum decided to change it at the last minute. What do you? So I've never had this out of the box. I'm going to get it out of the box. Get off. Ooh. 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 Pure. Air Pro with PPF.
What's PPF?
I don't know.
What to do with the tyres, isn't it?
Pneumatic performance. Fishy
Puncture.
tyres. Puncture.
Something to do with puncture, isn't it?
I think it's going to need to be a one-hand job to lift it all out. Oh, there we go. Oh. Oh. Everything's loose. Because I'm going to snap wires doing that. Oh, look, son. Instructions. Do you love instructions? Can I have a kissy? He's giving me a lovely kissing.
Don't do that on the video.
It's on now. Get off. Get off. Watch out. Oh, it's got a nice thick manual. Look at that. Can you see? Can you see on the YouTubes? Oh, it's so thick. I'll keep cutting it because...
I was going to say, let's hope a child doesn't want to watch this video.
Look at that. At Pure Electric, our ambition is to help solve some of the biggest urban environmental issues ever faced through inspiring change in the way we move, and so on and so forth. Less pollution plus less congestion equals cleaner air for everyone. Ooh. At least it's not written in broken Chinese, so that gives me some confidence. I'll probably just skip a lot of this out because it's not much fun looking at someone. How would you put it together? Take the folded e-scooter from the box, use both hands and lift from the base of the scooter. Do not attempt to lift using the stem. That's what I've just tried to do, so good job I stopped myself. Unfold the kickstand on the side of the footrest and place the scooter on the floor. Raise the stem slowly. Blah 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 blah. If not connected, attach the 3 colour-coded cables. Right, that's the instructions. You get an Allen key and 4 screws. All that she wants is another baby. Gone tomorrow. Woman! Can you help me, woman? Woman! Woman! You just hold the end of the box down because it won't slip out. Oh, 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 got it. Excellent, thank you, assistant. Okay. We put the side stand out, just like it says in the instructions, and there we are. Lovely. Oh, I best show, because we're unboxing, I best show everything going on. Put that there. In the box, it's got boxes. There's a little white box. There's another box right here. 2-pin power lead. Don't need that. UK power lead, we need that. So that's just packaging stuff left in there now. What was the guy's name again, John? So we got this from Pure Electric in Gateshead. Got it, come here son. Got it from a guy called John. Very nice, knowledgeable chap, dead easy going. Nice fella. And it's great fun using one of these. I lashed my little cotton socks off when I was having a go of it. So that's it out of the box. There's the manual. And the Allen keys. Ooh, you seen the charger? Ooh, it's only little. Like you said, you can put it in your backpack.
It's a sweet one.
I'll be able to put it in my backpack, won't I? And take it with me when I go scooting on
my
private roads. You what?
Should have got my £14 bag.
To put my thing in?
Yeah.
Yeah, the little handlebar bag to put the charger in. So there's a charger. Ooh. There's a power lead to go with the charger. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. So that's them. Okay, so you're Brad Pitt. That don't impress me much. This is what's on in the radio in the kitchen. I'm going to get my knife. Don't be alone, I'm going to think you're alright. In the middle of the night. That don't impress me much. Do 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 do. There's your slobber on there already. What a lovely dog. What a lovely fluffy dog. What a lovely fluffy dog. If you got a thingy but you've got the top. I don't know if you can see. Hang on, let's see where we are in the video because I might be out of shot here. Oh no. In the box in here, it's got loads of little bits and bobs in the way to stop you taking the box off, taking the handlebars out. So imagine that goes like that. And then there's a split in the box here like that. Oh baby. Okay. Oh, we're going to have to be delicate with this. Got the touch. Don't get me wrong, cause I think you're alright. It's a bit fruity, this lens. Like wires in there. I don't want to bust them. Let's put some tension on them there. Oh no, there we go. Slip slide in. Careful when you put your wires in because they're a bit snug to get in. Do 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 do. He's such a good boy, isn't he? Do you know how good our puppy is? Yes? What do you want? Just 4 screws to put in there. I was going to put a bit of copper slip on them. Oh, what do you think, puppy? Is it a luscious scooter?
I'm taking it up.
Because you've been naughty. You going out for a walk, son? Are you being a bit naughty? Oh, honestly, I promise I'm not being naughty. Yeah, whatever. Oh, what a big dog. He's such a pretty puppy. So, bit broken this video because the dogs have been attacking me. Oh God, here he comes again. Isn't he so naughty? What would you give him out of 10 for naughtiness, Lindsay? Don't care about that at all. So we've got these 4 little screws here to put in. Hang on, let's see if I can hold it. Can you see? Can you see? Move your body close to mine. So when you put it together, we've got these 4 screws. Actually, there's one on the end of the Allen key, but there's four of these little badges. Just need screwing in there. They've got a bit of Loctite on them. So I'll do that, and then I'll put the camera back on. Ta-da! So I've put them screws in, handlebars on, lovely jubbly. I put a little bit of copper slip on them, even though they've got thread lock on them, because I just like to have their steel going into aluminium, and steel and aluminium don't mix. They tend to seize up. So that's that. There's the stooooter, mine scooter. These are mint fun, like if you've never had a go at one. And they're totally illegal, but apparently the police turn a blind eye as long as you're not being silly. But let's have a look what I wanted to show. Quick release mechanism, you push that pin up. Oh right, that takes a bit of getting hold of that. Get my fat hands behind it. Oh shit. I mean, oh dear. So that's a quick release pin. And then this Pro model over the Air model has a normal, what I'd call an air headset, like you have on a mountain bike. Undo that bolt, take that cap off, and that's just like your adjustment. There's obviously little nip bolts there, just like a normal headset as well. The lad in the shop was saying if you get the Air version, you need a special tool to get that out. And it's hard to adjust and things, whereas the Pro is a lot easier to adjust and keep the bearing serviced and things. And you don't see anything about that on the internet, so there you go. Get the Pro version because the headset and the bearings are a lot easier to service. He did say that they don't need much looking after. The mudguard obviously stops any crud getting in there, and it's not like a mountain bike where you're blasting around off-road. So, Pro version, better clip and things, and better headset setup. Because I'm a bit anal with these things, I thought I'll take the stem apart and the bearings and have a look and see if they're greased up from new. Them nuts that are bolted, that keep it nipped up, were so tight, I had to dig the impact driver out. So I would say it's a very good idea, if you've got the tools to do it, get this apart, get some grease on these, and then just torque them back up to whatever the right spec is, because they've got nothing on them, they're bone dry, and they aren't half stuck in the stem. Make sure you grease them, there's nothing on them, bone dry, they'll seize in like a beaut, giving a winter a riding. Copper slip. Yeah, the copper slipped. I'll stop my seizing up. There you go, seal bearing inside. Nice and easy to slide that off. Seal bearings, so there's nothing to do in there really. I might just put a bit of rust, anti-rust stuff in there to stop it getting rotten with the rainwater. But also the top cap bolt hasn't got any grease in it whatsoever, that's bone dry, so a bit of copper grease on that to keep it running nice. Good job. Good rule of thumb when you're preloading headset bearings is Allen key in and then as tight as you can go with using the short handle end. So that's as tight as I can go, and that's normally around about where you need to be. Lift up your head bearings, but just have a feel of them and see if there any play in them, and give the wheel a twiddle and stuff. There you go. Let's move on. After making a right old mess, fettling the scooter, she's all set up. Lights are on. Tyres are up to pressure. They were about 15 psi out of the box. So you have to get your bike pump on them and get them up to 36, 37 psi, I think it says in the instructions. One thing I did notice when we got it is the readout on here was in kilometres an hour, and I don't know, there's nothing in the instructions, and my missus figured it out that you can, because the one in the shop was on miles an hour. And my missus has figured it, so you hold these two buttons, top and bottom button, and it comes in this program setting. And then program 1 is the screen brightness. as you can see. And to change to different settings, you press the power button, and then you can have kilometres an hour or miles per hour. You can use the top and bottom buttons to fettle that. So set that to miles an hour. And then there's a secret setting that's program 3, and it just says 10. And I don't know what that does. It goes up to 50 and down to 0. So I put it back to where it was and just left it. And then to get out, you hold down the power button. And then when you turn it back on, all your settings are saved up, hold it in. So if anyone knows what that secret setting is, that program 3, let us know, because that could be like I think it's, you don't have to push to set off, you just press the throttle and it'll set away. So if anyone knows, let us know, and then I'll let others know, and then we'll all know. Thanks very much.